Basic achievements and failures of Indian plans. So, the Indian plans was started with a view of achieving a definite set of goals, which basically included the removal of poverty, proper employment opportunities, then self-reliance, etc. But how far our planning has been able to achieve all such things? Let us analyze this with the achievements as well as the failures. We all know that planning started in 1951, and till now let us see what are the main or major achievements of planning in our country. So number 1, increase in national income. After the planning, it has been observed that the rate of increase of national income has been quite steady, and therefore our economy has been taken out from the stagnant position. So it is found out that the rate of increase in national income has been around 3.8% per annum. Number 2, increase in rate of capital formation. It is a very important thing, that is capital formation, and plays a very significant role for the development of a country. It results in both production and productivity in agriculture, industry, mining, plantation, etc. So with a good capital formation, a country can prosper. So during the planning period, if we take from 1951 to 1991, we see that the rate of capital formation has quite significantly increased. Number 3, agriculture. So our agriculture at the time of independence was backward, depleted and stagnant, but with the introduction of this economic planning, we can say that the agriculture has flourished to a very high level. Not only the productivity but also the production has increased to a good level. Also we have the green revolution in Indian agriculture, which resulted in the use of high yielding variety seeds, chemical fertilizers and improved methods of cultivation. This in turn resulted in increasing the production of all the farmers. Number 4, industry. We already have discussed that before the British entered, our industry was a flourishing one, but after the British entered our country, the industry was completely backward and depleted. But after the starting of planning in 1951, industrial progression has been a steady note in the planning. Now, during the year of planning, the overall industrial growth has seen a steady increase. Also, the structure of industry has also increased, as a result of which there has been a positive increase in our industrialization. Thus, it has resulted in increasing the production of commodities such as cement, sugar, petrol, etc. Number 5, social sector development. There has also been a lot of development of social sector in the country during the 5-year plans. Social services includes health and education have been considerably expanded. Now after the planning, we can see that there are schools in every 2 to 5 to 10 kilometers. So this is the result of all planning. Also the health facilities have been improved with proper hospitals as well as sub-centers in the rural area. So these are the main achievements which have been made possible due to planning.